Hi. Research indicates that over 90% of large organizations use multi-cloud architectures and have data distributed across multiple public cloud providers and various storage systems. As data serves more use cases, customers are moving towards open multi-cloud data lakes. However, these present challenges such as data silos, duplication, fragmented governance, the complexity of tools, and increased costs. Google's data cloud technologies allow customers to use a combination of distributed cloud services to create an agile cross-cloud semantic business layer with Looker and managed data lakes and data warehouses across cloud environments at scale with BigQuery, BigLake, and BigQuery Omni. BigLake is a storage engine that unifies data warehouses and lake houses by standardizing across different storage formats, including BigQuery managed table and open file formats such as Parquet and Apache Iceberg on object storage. BigQuery Omni provides the compute engine that runs locally to the storage on AWS or Azure, which customers can use to query data in AWS or Azure seamlessly. This offers several key benefits such as a single pane of glass to query your multi-cloud data lakes across Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, and Microsoft Azure. Cross-cloud analytics by combining data across different platforms with little to no egress costs. Unified governance and secure management of your data wherever it resides. But let's deep for comprehensive marketing analytics for a complete view. BigQuery Omni helps organizations to perform marketing analytics like ads optimization, inventory management, churn prediction, buyer propensity trends, and many more, by providing a way to access data from multiple sources such as Google Analytics, public datasets, and other proprietary information stored across cloud environments. This eliminates the need to move large amounts of data, manage duplicate copies, and incremental costs to perform cross-cloud analytics and derive actionable insights. With BigQuery Omni, organizations can use the familiar BigQuery interface to access data in AWS or Azure, discover and select relevant data for further analysis, and move it to Google Cloud using Omni's cross-cloud transfer capabilities. This data can then be combined with other Google Cloud datasets and made available to key business stakeholders through advanced analytics tools like Looker and Looker Studio, and AI models via Vertex AI. BigQuery Omni allows retailers to easily integrate sales and inventory, user, and search data from multiple data silos, enabling them to perform powerful marketing analytics like customer segmentation, campaign management, and demand forecasting. As an example, a retailer can use BigQuery Omni to bring together data from various data silos and gain insights that can help them optimize their marketing efforts. Customers are looking to use a unified data platform to analyze operational, transactional, and business data across data silos in different clouds. These data silos are caused by factors such as mergers and acquisitions, standardization of analytical tools, using best-of-breed solutions in different clouds, and diversification of data across clouds. With BigLake and BigQuery Omni, organizations can access and query their data in Google Cloud, regardless of where it resides, and set fine-grained row-level and column access policies in BigQuery for consistent governance across clouds. This enables data engineering teams to build a unified and governed data platform for their data users without the complexity of building and managing complex data pipelines. Furthermore, BigQuery Omni's integration with Dataplex and Data Catalog allows for discovery, searching data across clouds, and enriching data with business context through a business glossary and rich text. An emerging trend in cross-cloud analytics is data sharing between services and their customers or users, where the latter analyze or aggregate the shared data with their proprietary data and may share the results back with the service provider. In many cases, the two parties are in different cloud environments, which requires data to be moved back and forth. However, many customers are hesitant to onboard new services and would rather provide governed access to their data sets. With BigQuery Omni, services in Google Cloud Platform can more easily access and share data with their customers and users in other cloud environments, minimizing data movement. With BigQuery Omni, customers are able to Access and query data across clouds through a single user interface. Reduce the need for data engineering before analyzing data. Lower operational overhead and risks by deploying an application that runs across multiple clouds and leverages the same, consistent security controls. Accelerate access to insights by significantly reducing the time for data processing and analysis. Create consistent and predictable budgeting across multiple cloud footprints. Enable long-term agility and maximize the benefits of every cloud investment. Over the last year, we've seen great momentum in customer adoption and added significant innovations to BigQuery Omni, including improved performance and scalability for querying your data in AWS S3 or Azure Blob Storage, Iceberg support for Omni, larger query result set size up to 20 GB, and cross-cloud transfer that helps customers easily, securely, and cost-effectively move just enough data across cloud environments for advanced analytics. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud component and see you in the next chapter of this adventure.